Okay, hello. We're doing problem number 1431, kids with the greatest number of candies. So, I'm just actually going to look at my code one time. So I have a comment block to the top where as I read through the question, I put stuff here to mark my understanding, make sure I understand what's going on, right? So the kids with the greatest number of candies problem, they give you an integer array, integer list candies, and then you get extra candies, which is just a regular integer. So for the integer array candies, so say you're at the second index, that means kid 2 has that number of candies, whatever the value is at index 2. So the way I decided to tackle this was, well, to fit the question, let's get into what it's asking first. It's asking that we returning a Boolean list, right? Boolean, yeah. So if I give the kid at that index, or whatever index, the extra candies, if they have at that point the most candies out of all the kids, then I return true for them, right? I'm not returning true, but I'm adding true to the results list. So this is my solution. It's very short and sweet, you know. The way I took it was, it would be true if the extra candies plus the amount of candies that that child has is either equal to or larger than the largest number in the candies array before any extra candies or anything. Yeah. So first I figured out how many kids. I believe that's what this is. Is that what that is? And did I say anything about it? Yeah. Oh, this is my plan. Look how cute. So I figured out how many kids there are by finding the length of candies. And then I found the greatest using this very handy Danny Max function. Then here I'm just checking to see if I add on the extra candies to the amount of candy that a child has, if it's equal to or greater than the max from candies. If it is true, then I add true to the results list. If it's not true, I add false. And at the end of that, I just return the list. Cool. And now let's run. Imagine this doesn't work. It does work. Great. See, that test case is good. This test case also good. This test case also great. Extra candies 10. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That is my solution for problem 1431, kids with the greatest number of candies.